So here we go, there's the little pieces of paper that came out from the hole punch, and I might be able to use them as little eyes or little decorations. Right, so let's get started. Now the next thing I'm going to need is I'm going to need some glue for sticking all these things on. Now, these are still a little bit wet. You might want to wait when you're doing it to let them dry a little bit more. It's up to you. Now remember, the hole is for the top. So now, this green guy, I'm going to give him a beak. Oh, I've got my glue. Now, I've got some sticky glue, but if you don't have sticky glue, you can use a glue stick or even a piece of sellotape to stick them on if you don't have any glue at home. So I'm going to take a bit of glue, and I'm going to think I'll put his beak here. Let's get this big long one. Here we go. There's his beak. Now that looks like his eye, but actually that's where I'm going to put the piece of string in. So I'm going to use a little eye. I've got these nice pieces of paper here from my hole punch. I see there's a purple one here. I like that purple. So I'm going to take a little bit of purple. And I'm going to put that there. And that's going to be his eye. Now you can put one eye or two eyes. I think I'll give him two. One purple and maybe, I don't have another purple one, so I might give him a blue one. Look, that's a nice blue one, isn't it? So I'll put another little bit of glue on for his other eye, just up there. He's going to be funny looking with his two coloured eyes, isn't he? And then I'm going to give him a wing. Now, I'm not going to give him two wings because we're only looking at one side of him because he's a flat bird. So I'm going to give him this wing, but I think I'm going to paint this wing to be a different colour. I like this orange. I'm going to paint that orange. Oops. I'm getting painty fingers now. That's okay. I can wash them later. I'm going to give him an orange wing. And I'll need some glue again, won't I, to stick this down. He's got an orange wing. Let's stick that down like that into the glue. So there we go. And let me see, what else could I give him? So he's got eyes and a beak and a wing. And I might give him two little legs. He looks kind of like a stork or a crane or one of those tall birds. So I'm going to give him some long legs going down. There's one there and maybe this one. This is a nice long one. Oh, he's going to have two different legs, isn't he? That's going to be quite funny. But I don't mind if he looks a bit funny, as long as he looks like a bird. There we go. There's my first bird. Here we go. Now I'm going to do my next one. So I'm going to do this lovely yellow one with the pink spots. And again, I'm going to give him a beak. And this time I'm going to give it a little beak. Let's try and see what this is going to look like. This one actually looks more like a little Easter chick because it's yellow, doesn't it? It's a little yellow beak. And how about some wings? I'm going to cut this a bit smaller. So I'm going to cut it into kind of that shape. Now remember, yours can be any shape you like. And it really doesn't matter. I'm going to put it down here low on his back. There's his wing. And I think I'm going to paint that wing too. I'm going to paint it yellow. And pink to match his pink spots. There we go. And he's going to need eyes as well. And this time I'm actually going to cut out a bigger eye. So I might use this here. I'm going to cut out a kind of a circly shape. Maybe like that. And I'm going to take one of my pencils. I think I'll give him a blue eye. Stick that down with some glue. right next to his beak. That's cute, isn't it? So that's my second bird. And maybe we just have time to do one more. I love this blue because blue is my favorite color. So I might turn it this way, I think. And I'm going to give this guy a big fat beak. So let's see. Let's stick on a big beak down here to make him look a bit funny. And I'm going to give him some little tiny wings. So this time he's going to have small wings and a big beak. Wouldn't that be funny? So I'm going to put one wing here, like this. And I'm going to give him another wing on the other side. So he's going to have two wings this time. So you can see, you can nearly do anything you want with these birds, and they can be any shape you like as well. Now, I forgot to bring in my googly eyes, but look, I've got eye stickers. I think I'm going to give this guy some eye stickers. Now, if you've got googly eyes at home, you can put on googly eyes. I think I'm going to give him two eyes, maybe one here, and maybe one here. And this time, I'm going to give this funny bird a crest on top of his head. So some birds have little feathers on top of their head. I'm going to give him feathery crests on top of his head because I have these nice feathers here. Oh, this green is nice. If you have feathers, you can add them to your birds as well if you want. Look at that. He looks nice, doesn't he? Maybe one green. Oh, and how about this nice yellow? Oh, he's beginning to look like a fancy bird now, isn't he? And I think I'm going to change the colour of his beak. I might make it yellow. A yellow beak might look nice. So you can see that even though you only started with a piece of cut-out paper, just by adding a beak and some wings and some eyes or legs or crests, before long, you've got these cute little birds, right? Now, I don't think I'm going to have time to finish my other ones now. I'll probably keep going with them later. The other thing you can do is, look, you can add stickers if you want to. So if you've got some stickers at home like these, you can make a polka dot bird, right? How about that? That would make him look nice, wouldn't it? So all you had to start with was any shape you like, and then add some more shapes until you've got a bird, right? And then the very last thing I wanted to do was do you remember I put the hole at the beginning? So what you can do is, oops, his leg has come off. Let's stick that back on. Now, I can put some thread in the hole. I've actually got ribbon, but you can use wool or you can use string or anything you want. Put it through the hole and tie a knot. You might need a little bit of help with this from mommy or daddy or the other adults or older brothers and sisters who are looking after you. And look, now I can hang him up around my house. And now we've got all kinds of lovely birds and extra ones that I can work on later. Oops. There we go. Now we've got some lovely Easter birds. You can try that again later as well yourself. Have fun making your birds. Bye.